Hey TikTokers, welcome to our useful tips and tricks series where we explore how to get the most out of your TikTok 4. In today's episode, we'll be showing you some useful tips and tricks about setting up your shortcut dialing icons on your TikTok 4. Shortcut contacts are easily accessible icons on your TikTok 4 that allow your child to seamlessly call you with the press of a button. To set up your shortcut icons, you'll simply open up the TikTok app, select the contact icon in the bottom left-hand corner, and you'll be greeted with 3 priority contacts: your 2 shortcut dialing contacts, which are currently set at mom and dad, and an SOS contact. The first 2 contacts are completely customizable, and you can change these to match your family best. Your SOS contact will be who your TikTok will automatically call if your child presses and holds the red button on the side of their TikTok 4 for 5 seconds. To edit, you'll simply select the contact you like to input. After clicking the edit button, first you'll select your profile avatar, which will show up in the messages and as your caller photo. You can choose one of our default avatars or take or select your own photo. Next, you'll want to select your user avatar, which will show up in your shortcut dialing icon directly on the TikTok 4 home screen. Lastly, input their contact name, personal cell phone number, and tap Save. If you only have one contact to add, you can simply just leave the other contact blank and only one shortcut contact will show up on the watch face. When setting up your new shortcut icon, your child now has easy access to call the new contact that was set up. So that wraps up today's video. Make sure to check out other useful tips and tricks episodes, and be sure to follow us on social media at mytiktok, and visit our website www.mytiktok.com. You can also reach out to our dedicated support team Monday through Friday, 9 a.m. to 6 p.m. PST for any questions. Thank you so much for watching, and we will see you all in the next video.